Please visit tradingsim.com to simulate this trading lesson. Hey day traders, this is Al Hill from tradingsim.com. Today we're going to be talking about looking at very tight trading ranges and using the RSI to confirm that trading range so that you can quickly exploit the highs and lows of the range in terms of shorting at the top of the range and buying at the bottom of the range. So you're not going to have major price movements in these because again you're day trading, right? So you're not looking at a 2-week or 4-week range here. You're just looking for ranges that have 1 to 3% in spread, looking to get in comfortably at the top or bottom, putting in a tight stop, and then riding that range down to the other extreme and exiting the position. So for today's example, we're going to be looking at Guild, ticker GILD, from June 24th. You can see here that the stock pretty much has a clear resistance area at the top around 36.30 to 36.40 on the extreme end, and then you have a low here which was violated going into the range, right? So, but once the range was established, pretty much around 36 even. So what you're going to do in this example, right? You're going to wait until the price comes back up to the top of the range. So quickly for illustration purposes, you can see here that the RSI indicator from the time that you started the range did not break the extremes of the RSIs from 70 to 30. And if you look here, the closest we got to it was 69.69. Okay, so for all you filthy-minded individuals, let's brush past that. But point is, we did not hit 70, right? So as a day trader, you're going to want to look to see this sort of movement in terms of the RSI staying within the boundaries of its extremes for around 3/4 of a day to a full trading day. So this really lets you know that, hey, the buyers and sellers are kind of in a stalemate, and it's pretty much safe to enter in these positions at these extremes. The key thing, again, is you're going to want to put in a protective measure or stop once you enter the position in the event that a breakout ensues and an impulsive move kicks off. You don't want to be on the wrong side of that. Okay, so let's fast forward this action a bit. You can see the stock, kind of had a rough morning, gap down through the bottom of that support range. Now we're coming up through it. So what we want to wait for is you want to wait for the price action. Again, for a trading range, right? You're going to wait for the price action to come up back to the top of the range. Now, a lot of times, rule of thumb is that if a stock cannot break through the bottom of this range, it's going to try to go through the top of the range. So you can take the short position, knowing that, hey, this may come out the top because it failed going through the bottom in the morning. But if it goes your way, odds are this is a sign of weakness. So then they're going to come right back down and try to bust it through the bottom again. So that's okay. If you look here, now we're right up into this resistance area around 36.30. So here we can take on, let's say, 3,000 shares short at market. Average price 36.29 when you factor in commissions. So that's a key. Another thing with trading sim, it always factors in your commission. So you really know the true cost of your positions. It's not just, oh, I got it in at this price, right? You need to factor in commission as well. Okay, so if you look here, we're short 36.29. Stock's starting to kind of stall out up here at this range area. If you look, the RSI is now starting to get a little more extreme. So this is another indication that, maybe the stock will now start to have an impulsive move. So you can see the RSI here hit 28 on this low, and then here on this high hit approximately 73.81. So now you know that, hey, well, we're probably in some sort of trading, like a new trend, if you will, in terms of volatility. So here, again, you never want to get outrated at the top or right at the bottom. You're up 0.75%. Took on opened the position around 10:30 or so, approximately, and now it's approximately 11:20, so less than an hour, and up $800. Bought a cover, exit the position. So this is pretty much it, right? You're not looking to, take Wall Street down, but you are looking to get some clean profits with a very conservative approach. All right, good luck trading.